Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about the Pinterest Business Manager feature. So this is a specific feature which will help you to manage multiple Pinterest ads accounts from one place. So let's say after a period of time, you want to start an agency where you want to manage your clients' Pinterest ads accounts. In such a case, you can open a Business Manager account. This works like a dashboard account in which you can link all the Pinterest ads accounts of your clients. And now from one place, you can access all the accounts, you can manage them, you can go into any of those ad accounts and you can create campaigns, optimize campaigns, run ads as well. So that becomes a Pinterest Business Manager platform. So let's have a look at this, how you can make use of this. So once you're on the platform on Pinterest ads, we can go to the overview where under manage business, you have business manager. So this will allow you to have the feature where you can add multiple Pinterest ads accounts. As you can see right now, my account is added over here. So this is one account is already added. Okay. But now if I want to add more accounts of my clients, I can do that. So I can go to add accounts. And this is where I can create a new ad account after this. So I can create a new ad account for my client and then I can add it up over here and I would be able to access it. So this is how you can use the business manager. There are other features as well wherein you can add, if you want to build your own teams, you can add your employees who will be a part of this manager account. Okay, all that will become possible as well. You can also add profiles. So specifically, if you want to add, when you're managing a particular client's account, you are not just managing their ads account, but you would also require their Pinterest profile. So that can be added right here. You can add your the client's profile, the Pinterest profile can be added here, and you will be able to access it very easily. So this is the business manager section, which is useful ideally for running an ad agency for Pinterest clients. Possibly you can use it in that manner where you can manage multiple Pinterest ad accounts, profiles from one single page. I hope this makes sense. You understand business manager feature and how it is being utilized in an ad agency environment. Thank you guys for listening to this, and I will see you in the next week.